Okay. Now we are going to see the problem. Calculate the tension in AC and BC by algebraic method as well as the Lami's theorem. So here the structure is given. Okay, first of all, the basic duty we know that we have to make the free body diagram. So here you know that C is the point. C is the point where all the strings are connected. So this zone, and the self weight is there, or weight is there. Okay, so for our duty is to calculate the tension in AC and BC. These two things you have to calculate. So the tension in AC can be here denoted as TAC, and the tension in here it is called as TCB. Okay, or TBC. Okay, now we can make the free body diagram. So first of all, you have to make the junction that is a C. So C, we are making C as a junction. So here 2000 into 9.81 Newton. So it is given in terms of kilogram. We are converting to 2000 into 9.81 Newton. So that is the not horizontal force, that is the vertical force. No inclination is here. But these two things, these tensions are inclined. Tensional force, you can just remember force analysis. So here two tensions are there, TAC and TBC. So both things are inclined, but we don't know any angle here. So but we have some values are there. So here some 100 mm is there. So here some 600 and here some 800 is. So this is not 100, this is 1000. So 1000 is there, 600 and 800 is there. So by using these dimensions, so this dimensions, this making a right angle triangle here, this is making a right angle triangle here. By using that, we have to calculate the theta. So first of all, we can, without calculating the theta, we can say here, we can draw here. So this is TBC and this is TAC. So theta can be here. So this is for theta 1, this is for theta 2. Other duty is to calculate the value of theta 1, theta 2. Then we can move on to the resolution of forces. So first of all, we are taking in triangle ACD. ACD. So I can draw the triangle here, ACD. So we know the value. This value is here 1000. A, B. So 1000 is given. So here it is given as 600. So we have our angle is here. So theta 1. So angle is taken as theta 1. So theta 1, opposite side, adjacent side. This is our hypotenuse. Opposite side and adjacent side is given. We know tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. AD by CD equal to 600 divided by 1000. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 600 divided by 1000. So we get the answer. Theta is equal to 600 divided by 1000. Answer is 0.6. Tan inverse of answer equal to 30.96. So here theta 1 value is given. Theta 1 is taken as 30.96. Then in triangle BCD, okay, BCD. So now the triangle BCD is this. BCD. Here also we need the angle here, theta 2. Okay. So here the value is given as 800 and we know this vertical as 1000. So same concept on theta 2 is equal to opposite by adjacent side. Okay. Opposite is 800 divided by adjacent is 1000 implies theta 2 is equal to tan inverse of 30. Okay. 800 divided by 1000 equal to this tan inverse of answer is equal to 38. Theta 2 is equal to 38.658. 38.658. So theta 1, theta 2. We know both the values. Now we can complete the free body diagram. So how can we complete the free body diagram? Okay, now substitute here. Theta 1 is okay 38.65. Theta 2. The theta 1 value is 30.65. 0.96. Now you can make the horizontal and the vertical component. Now you can make TBC horizontal and vertical component. So TBC theta 2. What is angle? 38.65. So this is cos theta and it's from this vertical line. So this is taken as TBC into cos 38.65. This is TBC into sin 38.65. Next, for this case, TAC. So this angle is given here. So this is TAC into cos 30.96. This will be TAC into sin 30.96. This horizontal line. So now we have resolved all those things. Now you can use, here only three forces are there. So now we made everything into the free body diagram, horizontal and vertical component. So now you can use algebraic method, summation fx, summation y, fy. So make it. So summation fx equal to, we have to substitute the value of 0 because the condition given is the equilibrium condition. We are going to solve everything in equilibrium condition. So summation fx equal to 0. Equal to what is the summation fx? X axis. What are the things are there? T BC sin 38.65 minus, this is negative sign, TAC sin 30.96 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now we know that here we don't know the value for TBC, we don't know the value for TAC. We are going to calculate that. If you are substituting summation fx equal to 0 means also you can't calculate because these two things are unknown values. You can keep this as equation number 1. Then summation fy is equal to 0. Okay. In summation fy, we know that. So otherwise, before that, something we have to do here in terms of that. So TBC is equal to TAC sin 30.96 divided by sin this one 38.65. So TBC is equal to, what is the volume of this? You have to calculate. Okay, sin 30.96 divided by sin 38.65 equal to 0.82. So 0.82 TBC. Sorry, TAC. Okay, so now this is taken as equation number 1. Now we have to proceed for what is the summation fy. I am rubbing on those things, no need of this. Okay, I am rubbing the question also, some space we can get. Okay, summation fy is equal to 0. What is summation fy? Only the vertical component. So upward direction is positive, two components are there. So downward only is there. Self weight is there. Okay. So TBC cos 38.465 plus TAC cos 30.96 minus 2000 into 9.81. 2000 into 9.81 value is 19620 equal to 0 because summation fy is equal to 0. Now you are substituting all those things. Here, in the place of TBC, you can substitute 0.82 TAC. Here you can substitute TAC. So all the things will be in the single unknown TAC. So you can substitute calculate the value for TAC, then you substitute the TAC here, you will get the value for TBC. Now that is a great thing here. So 0.82 into TBC is replaced by 0.82 into TAC. This one. Into cos 38.65 plus TAC cos 30.96 equal to 19620. Now you are doing the calculation. So what is cos 38.65 equal to answer into 0.82. Okay, this one will become as 0.64 TAC plus what is the value for cos 30.96 equal to 0.85 TAC equal to 19620. So what is the sum of these two things? Plus 0.64 equal to 1.49 TAC is equal to 9620. So TAC is equal to 19620 divided by answer is equal to 13101 Newton. So this is the value for TAC. You can substitute TAC in equation 1. 1 implies this equation. TBC is equal to 0.82 of TAC. One 0.743 Newton TBC. Okay, now you know the value for TBAC. Now you know the value for TAC and BC. So this is all the thing given for calculation. Now we have completed the algebraic method. You can do the same thing by means of the Lami's theorem. By using the Lami's theorem also you can do the same. How can we do? By using the Lami's theorem. So we can make out of this. I am going to do one more freehand diagram for calculating by using Lami's theorem. So so from this, okay. So this is TBC. This is TAC. So here I am writing this by using Lami's theorem. Okay. So here 2000 into 9.8. So force is there, force is there, force is there. Two things you have to calculate. This is unknown value. So already we know that. So what is this angle? This angle, this angle. These three angles are basic necessary for using the Lami's theorem. Because two unknowns are already there, we should know four values. Because in the Lami's theorem, we should know the remaining other values, only two unknown values are there that you are going to calculate. So here, what is angle between these two? Theta 1 plus theta 2. Here it is 38, 31. What is the sum of this? 38.65 plus 30.96 equal to 69.61. So what is these two values? So calculating, just this is 90 degree, this is 38 means what is the value of this? So 90 minus 38.65 equal to 51.35. So this angle will be 90 plus 51.35 plus 90 equal to 141.35. So what is the remaining? Total 360. So 141 plus 69.61 equal to minus 360 will get the answer 149.04 degree. So we got three angles. So by Lami's theorem, force TAC divided by opposite angle, sine of opposite angle, sine 141.35 equal to TBC divided by opposite, sine of opposite, sine 149.04 equal to this one, wait, 2000 into 9.81, totally in Newton, okay, divided by sine 69.61. First you equate these two things, then equate these two things, you will get the value for TAC and TBC. So equating TAC divided by sine 141.35 is equal to 2000 into 9.81 divided by sine 69.61. So implies TAC. What is the value? You will get the same value what you got for the same thing. So TAC is equal to 13075 Newton. So implies equating this one. TBC divided by sine 149.04 is equal to the same thing, 2000 into 9.81 divided by sine 69.61 implies TBC is equal to the same answer what you got in the previous things. Algebraic method you will get it 10767. So with this we are completing the algebraic method and the Lami's theorem. You can solve by using algebraic otherwise by using the Lamb's theorem. If suppose in question is asked means you have to solve it by two methods. Okay, thank you.